I just got down cops. We don't want to see no one cup. Can't take no tata shop.
Viewers, subscribers, Just Vibes Radio. Tamale Sparta could face more prison time if possible. Life. Worst case scenario. Also, Rytikal is in deep trouble as well. Should in case the same method, the same integrated ballistic identification system is carried over in his case. We're going to talk about it. Further ado, let's jump straight into the video. It's your first time here, sure subscribe now. Also click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. Welcome back, viewer subscribers. I know I've been missing for almost a week now. Decided I was gonna take the weekend or the holiday break and come back fresh and stronger. My viewer subscribers, now as you all may know, the situation that Tamale Sparta is currently in now, my viewer subscribers, gun that was seized from Tamale Sparta has been linked to at least 2 murders. My viewer subscribers, is it? And also, my people, the firearm has also been connected to 3 cases of shooting with intent, my viewer subscribers. So we are not here to talk about that, of course, because you guys would have already known about all of this already. What we're here to talk about is that criminal charges that could possibly laid against Tamale Sparta.
Anyway, money they and pleasure. They say well, jealousy and hater.
Should in case any of these these 2 murders are linked to him, or if the shooting intent was also linked back to him as well, since he took ownership of that gun, took the charge, plead guilty, my viewer subscribers. Now, my viewer subscribers, let me just make you know this. First and foremost, the system actually played Tamale Sparta and letting him think that he got away with this by pleading guilty, which they knew that this would have actually been the outcome of your subscribers. So them say, you wanna plead guilty, get 2 years, 3 years, but 2 years are out, with Tamale not knowing that additional investigations are being carried out. You get me? Remember, I know of your subscribers, this integrated ballistic identification system that they are using, this is actually a new technology that has came into Jamaica. Of course, they might have used it in other investigation, but they're using it now. They make you know, see, it's a new technology we are using with your subscribers. Now, my people, well, while we sorry for Tamale Sparta, I just have a hope, say, none of these murders or the shooting case isn't linked to Tamale, because they're gonna find out, my people. Very soon they're going to find out, and don't be surprised if this information was already with the feds. They were just probably waiting until he plead guilty and took ownership of the firearm instead of actually my viewer subscribers. So the system really played Tamale back then, my people. A lot of persons don't know that, but and I'm not sure if his lawyer was aware of this and tell him, say, so tell the truth still. Them possibly can stop you with more charges. So we could just plead guilty and not waste no more time or waste the court time or whatever. I don't know, but I don't think that is the case, my people. But worst case scenario, should in case any one of these 2 or these 2 murders are linked to Tamale Sparta, is it, or the shooting case, my people, them are gonna put him with for whole heap of years. I tell you, whole heap of years, possible life, And yes, I don't have a degree in criminology, but it's just common sense, and based on how we have seen how the system worked, our court system worked in the past, my viewer subscribers. So we know, say, should in case Tamale Sparta, because not because he plead guilty, that doesn't mean more charges can laid against him, my people. More charges can laid against him. You get me, my people? And worst case scenario, if him got charged with murder, my people, and shooting with intent, them are gonna put him with for a long time, possible life. What me say, a long time. The system really want get rid of Tamale. If you don't know, my viewer subscribers, long time the system want get rid of Tamale, because they are looking at it and say, this man here ever in a trouble, and every time him slip off, like butter. Why? My people. So we just have to hope for the best and just worst case scenario, hope none of these murders are linked to him or the shooting. I mean, Me don't know my viewer subscribe, but it looks sticky pan family Sparta. You see it in a deeper water right now. And my viewer subscribers, Rytikal.
Skin it out. I the working in a your whole Ritty don't. Say she want me fi dig it out.
Rytikal is on a 1 million bond bail right now, right? Yes, he has been charged for illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. Now, don't be surprised if the investigators use the same system in his case, you know. And the good thing which could turn out in Rytikal favor is that if that illegal gun that was caught in his vehicle or was found in his vehicle, if them can't trace it back to any murder or any shooting case, then that is good for Rytikal, you know, and probably just do him 5 years in a prison for the gun or 1, 2, 3 years, you know. But boy, if the same thing I'm to Rytikal, my people, you know there's something they're gonna know. You don't know the system not have no leniency upon dancehall artists, entertainers when they come on to murder and crime and all them things. I don't know that because when I already see where really are going now, the system basically blame, well not blame, but you know, they're basically saying that dancehall has an impact on the crime rate as well, my people. Saying with them not going to ease up. The court system not going to ease up on them artists. You know, so what happened to the Vibes Cartel, you know, one crime, you know, and yeah, even though it was more than one incident or more than one charge laid against him, but this one crime that happened, you know, help put him with life. My people, they put him close to life. You see, so we hope another the same thing happen to Rytikal. You see, because my people, remember, you know, Rytikal has been charged for the illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. Now, and the system is letting you know that you see this this integrated ballistic report identification system. This is something new that we just have to use now. So the man couldn't know say a worry for people in a trouble because time and time we see where people are being charged have been charged for illegal possession of firearm, you know, but and then they just do them time and no more charge only against them, you know. So this now will help speed up or this resource will help them now to clamp down on conviction and all these crimes, you know, because all the time we realize, as me say, you have things happen here and there. But as my viewer subscribers, this is actually a breakthrough for the system right now, my people. You see, because now that is the reason why whenever you go on a scene, they don't want you to compromise the scene and see them block it off, tape it off, because the casing or the shell or the spent shell are really important, my people. It is really important. You see it now, my people? Because the man them set up for family, you know. The murder happened in the corporate area, you know, the shooting case, you know, my people. So the man them have information. It's just we for wait now and see what really gonna happen, if them are gonna charge him with murder, if the murder them linked to him, because them are gonna find out, my people. But comment in the comment section below what you think. You get me? Until next time, just vibes radio. I'm out.